Welcome to cooling monsters. Tired of sweating in our tropical weather? Introducing our CM45 evaporative air cooler, a sleek, energy-saving powerhouse designed for efficient and versatile cooling. This is also our best-selling product since we launched the base model in 2021. CM45 air cooler provides a refreshing breeze without the hassle of ductwork or complex installation. It is perfect for common rooms, living halls, balconies, cafes, offices, and spaces up to 46 square meters. First, the water pump channels water into our big and thick cooling media. Second, fan pulls in hot air. Bye-bye heat wave, cools it through evaporation. Third, a refreshing cool breeze blows your way. You can even add ice cubes for extra cooling power when needed. CM45, compact yet powerful with high-quality casters for easy mobility. Delivers 4,500 cubic meters per hour of airflow and covers up to 12 meters. The CM45 is your go-to solution for budget-friendly, efficient cooling in mid-size spaces. If you're looking to cool larger areas, check out our CM95 or CM98 models, which are designed for industrial and commercial use with even more powerful cooling capabilities.